Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Yep, yep, you can get the free engine. Oh, we're recording? Oh, okay. Let me call you back. We're recording. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And today is the day we changed the air filter in my wife's 2016 Toyota Corolla. As you guys checked out in my last video, and if you didn't, make sure you go check it out. We did the spark plugs in her Toyota Corolla. Now we're going to do the air filter. It's really old. Like I said, I think it's been about 10,000 miles since we changed the air filter. Every time she goes and gets the oil change, they always try to get her with the, hey, I think you need this. And it's like 25 bucks. No, don't do that. Go purchase the air filter. The link is in the description down below. Purchase the air filter, change it yourself. I think it's like 10 bucks. You get it on Amazon, shipping's free. I'll put the link in the description below, guys. Go ahead, check it out. It's super easy. So that's what today's video is gonna be about. So as always, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, welcome back. We're doing the air filter in my wife's 2016 Toyota Corolla, but this should work for your Toyota Corolla if it looks like my wife. Hers is 2016. I want to say that the models ran from about 2014 as the oldest to maybe 2017, 2018. The air filter should be the same. You can definitely leave a comment down below if you have a different air filter for a Toyota Corolla that you have. So say you have a 2018 Toyota Corolla and you're like, Carl, that air filter that you did a video on does not work. Please let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, so moving forward, that's what we're gonna change. It's super simple, guys, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video. Some people may say, why are you wasting your time doing a video on an air filter? Everybody knows how to do that. Well, just to let you guys know, not everybody knows how to do that. So I try to do the things that your average everyday person might not know how to do. Case in point, you go to get your oil change and the oil change people say, hey, well, you got a dirty air filter, we could change it out. You might not know how to do that. So this is for those people who don't know how to. Also, some of the biggest videos on my channel have come from the smallest things. The oil change video is doing very well. The coolant video is doing even better. The how to change your coolant in your car, which I did in my wife's Toyota Corolla, I just added coolant. And that video is doing over 8,000 views. So thank you. And if you want to support this channel, you guys can purchase the merch and anything else from Flash Custom Designs, from any other YouTuber or brand on that website. That's our website. Put that link down below. And you can also support by subscribing, sharing, and hitting that like button. So without further ado, let's get into the video of changing my wife's air filter in her 2016 Toyota Corolla. Okay, so right here we have the air box. There's a clip on the right side right there, and there's a clip on the left side. That's it, just two small clips and you can take it off. So unclip those. Right here, this is kind of where it wedges in. So you're gonna wanna push it forward and lift up. So that's what I'm doing here after unlocking those clips. And now you can get the air filter out. And as you see, this air filter is extremely dirty. It's dirty on both sides. So I can't wait to put the new one in. But we got a little dirty area right here. So I'm gonna clean up the air box by removing these bolts and removing the clip. You're gonna need probably a flathead screwdriver because that clip is really on there. That connector is really on there. So I had to use a flathead screwdriver in order to get it off. A little 10mm socket to get this off. And we wanna get the whole box off so that we can vacuum the inside. It's extremely dirty, so let's clean it out as best as possible. This is something that they wouldn't do at an oil change place or something like that. Look at all that dirt in there. We have to get rid of that. So let's go ahead. I got a little small vacuum cleaner. I'll put the link in the description below to this vacuum cleaner. Very cheap, but this vacuum cleaner does very good job. So all that right there would be in our new filter, so we don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead and just vacuum it up. Get all that sand and dirt out of there. Okay, now we have our new filter. I will definitely put the link to this filter in the description below. Beautiful, clean new filter. Can't wait to open it up Ah, look how clean that is. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. This car will finally be able to breathe again. Look at the difference between the clean one and the dirty one. Like I said, we hadn't changed about 10,000 miles. So let's get rid of that filter and let's install this beautiful filter right here. Also, just so you know, it is directional. So you want to put the small side facing up and the big side facing down. The small side faces up, the big side faces down. Let's go ahead and put that in. Let's do some magic and voila, that's it. So we're all done. This is the engine started. Okay guys, that's it. Very quick, simple process. You guys got to see it. Wasn't hard at all. If you guys have any questions on the installation of an air filter in your car, please comment down below or contact me on Straight Out of Content on Instagram. In the next video, I will be cleaning my wife's headlights. As you can see, they have this weird white haze on them. Usually I'm used to a yellow haze. They're still kind of clear, but they have like this weird white haze. So I have a buffing pad, as you guys seen in my previous video. If you haven't, make sure you go check that out when I buffed Uncle George's truck. But I have a buffing pad and I have a cutting compound. I think that might be enough to really make those headlights shine. So that's the next video. Make sure you guys go check that out when it comes out, and make sure you go check out the previous video where I changed my wife's spark plugs. And also, if you have the opportunity, check out all the other videos on my channel, especially the Kia engine settlement series. That is the best running series on YouTube. If you have a Kia, you definitely want to be tuned into that. If you know somebody who has a Kia, you definitely want to be tuned into that video. So that's it for today. Guys, remember, you can support the channel by purchasing something from Flash Custom Designs. You can also support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. So you guys know my slogan. I'm hungry, as always. I think, yeah, I don't know if I ate today. Oh yeah, I had breakfast and lunch. Now it's time for dinner. All right, guys, be safe, be basic. Peace.